Your business has probably outgrown a spreadsheets. Paper forms, Excel files, chats, and email attachments scatter your data. When data lives everywhere, tasks get delayed, approvals slow down, and reports are already out of date.
With Jodoo, scattered data becomes connected and your workflows become automated, and your business runs with more clarity and control. You can build whatever you need in Jodoo: a project management app, a customer database, a work order system, an inventory tracker, an HR request portal, or a complete business system where sales, service, operations, finance, and field teams work from the same source of truth. And you do not have to start from scratch. Jodoo offers templates for CRM, inventory, orders, projects, HR, inspections, after-sales service, customer portals, and dealer collaboration. You can start from a template or simply from one form and build step-by-step into applications that truly fit your business. Let's take a look at how to get started with forms. Create forms for leads, inspections, customer feedback, purchase requests, and field records with simple drag and drop. No coding required. Turn paper records and Excel collection into one unified data entry point. And these forms do not have to stay inside your company. Once a public form is created, you can share it with anyone through a form link or QR code. So customers, suppliers, dealers, or field partners can submit information from outside your organization. With AI form filling, a sentence, a work note, or a mobile input can be recognized and turned into structured fields. Your team fills in less, your data becomes cleaner, and work moves faster. After data is submitted, it should not just sit in a table. Jodoo's custom data detail pages turn each customer, project, order, or equipment record into an actionable business workspace. When viewing a customer, you can see stages, history, orders, and contacts. When viewing a project, you can manage tasks, progress, files, and related data in one place. Need approvals, dispatching, reminders, notifications, or cross-team collaboration? With Workflow, processes move automatically. The right people can be reminded by email and mobile notifications, and tasks can be followed up before deadlines. So work no longer depends on people chasing people. When forms, detail pages, and workflows connect, Jodoo becomes more than a form tool. It becomes a custom system built around your business. Data can be submitted, viewed, followed up, and processed in one place. The problem is not a lack of data, it is scattered, delayed data that makes problems hard to see. Jodoo dashboards automatically bring your business data together and show metrics, trends, exceptions, and progress in real time. Managers do not have to wait for weekly reports. Teams do not have to repeat updates. Everyone can make decisions from the same live data. And when your team works across regions or languages, Jodoo helps keep the same app experience consistent. With multi-languages, users can view the same app in the language they are comfortable with. That means one app can support global teams, local users, and multilingual customers, without rebuilding separate systems for every market. For growing businesses, operations teams, sales teams, service teams, manufacturing teams, and field teams, Jodoo turns scattered work into systems that are collaborative, automated, and measurable. In 2026, you do not have to wait for development resources or force your business into software that does not fit. With Jodoo, build your forms, workflows, detail pages, dashboards, multilingual apps, and business applications fast. Jodoo, build custom business software fast with no code. Visit www.jodoo.com.